Hello guys, students, I welcome you into the Kira's Fashion Online Illustration, the advanced class. Here we'll be talking about a whole lot of advanced topic, and we'll be looking at the presentation format. Solely this is because it's a course in the advanced class. Under the presentation format, we have the fashion illustration, the presentation board, and the digital presentation. So to start with, I would like to pick a quote from one of the greatest designers in the world that we all know, in the name of Giorgio Armani from Italy. He said, "To create something exceptional, your mindset must be relentlessly focused on the smallest detail." Talking about fashion illustration and you being a fashion designer, picking the smallest detail on your design is very important. So let's further go into the presentation format. In this topic on the advanced class, we'll be looking at the importance between the differences and distinctions that exist between various fashion presentation format. This is very important and is considered by every fashion illustrator. This is because we need to have an understanding of the fashion figure and how various presentations have their significance in our design. And this is because the particular perspective of fashion illustration is considered in relation to stuffs like other artworks and various range of artwork boards. Okay, and so sometimes when we present them and we illustrate them visually, we get to have a better and clear understanding of our designs. Also, we look at the growing influence of digital presentation platforms, including websites and blogs, that are performing a whole lot of function in how we project our designs to the world. Okay, so now let's dive into our first topic for today, which is fashion illustration. Fashion illustration describes a particular approach to fashion drawing that exemplifies artistic expression and style of the human form. Yes, considered as an accurate representation of whatever we want to design, be it garment or outfit. We communicate the attitude of the designer, that is, communicate the mind of the designer into whatever it is we are illustrating. The work of a fashion designer and the work of a fashion illustrator complement one another, and this is because they perform significant roles in the production of fashion artworks, which is common to both practices. Some of the most successful fashion illustrators have had little or no design training and therefore do not involve themselves in complex pattern cutting or manufacturing of garments, and this is not their function because it does not restrict an illustrator. They don't need to add everything and a fashion designer does. Fashion illustration is about capturing the mood, the spirit, and the essence of a design. I repeat again, fashion illustration is about capturing the mood, the spirit, and the essence of a design. Some of the most effective fashion illustrations can appear almost effortless, that is, drawing the viewer to imagine what lies beneath the surface. Yes, which talks about the mind of the illustrator. Of course, illustrations are not effortless when you are developing them. It is a process in itself and therefore requires a whole lot of practice, a whole lot of imagination, visualization, and experimentation. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.